Good morning, everybody. This is Nagesh Rao, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering from Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's Group of Institution, Hyderabad. As today we will discuss one topic from Transportation Engineering of second unit. Our second unit is Highway Geometric Design. So this is topic Design Controls and Criteria. So what is design control and criteria? The geometric design of highways depends on several design factors. So according to that, only we can design all the parameters. So the important of these factors which control the geometric elements. So the elements are design speed, topography, traffic factors, design hourly volume and capacity, environmental and other factors. So we will discuss briefly about one by one. So first one is the design factor. So first one is the design speed. The design speed is the most important factor controlling the geometric design elements of highway. The design speed is decided taking into account the overall requirements of the highway. So here in India, different speed standards have been assigned depending upon the or the class of the road, such as national highways, state highways, major district roads, other district roads, and village roads. So depends upon these. National Highway Authority of India decided depends upon the road speeds. The design of almost every geometric design elements of the road is depends upon the design speed. Similarly, urban roads have a different set of design speed. So depends upon the road, national, state, major district roads, other district road, village roads. Depends upon these roads and urban roads also. Depends upon these roads only we can design. Similarly, for example, the requirements of the pavement surface characteristics, the cross section of element of the road, that is the width and clearance requirements, that is the side distance requirements, horizontal elements such as the radius of curves, super elevation, transit curve, summit curve, vertical elements, gradient, valley curves. All these depend mainly on the design speed of road. Yes, design speed of the road depends upon the speed only we can do these all kind of the parameters. So next, topography. The topography or the terrain conditions influence the geometric design of highway significantly. The terrains are classified based on the general slope of the country across the alignment. Already we are discussed in starting topic as plain rolling and mountainous and steep terrains. Already we are discussed. The design standards specified for different classes of roads are different depending on the terrain classification. Guys, for example, the design or rolling speed of national and state highway of plain terrain, cross slope up to 10% is 100 km per hour with the speed of the rolling terrain. Cross slope of 10 to 25% is 80 kmph, and mountainous terrain with the cross slope 25 to 60% is 50 kmph. And further, in hilly terrain, it is necessary to allow a steeper gradient and sharper horizontal curves due to the construction of the problem. So we need to allow these steeper gradient and sharper horizontal curves when the hilly construction zone or ghat road, at that particular road when we can do these type of gradient we need to provide. So this is the topography And coming to the next one is the traffic factor. The factor associated with the traffic that after geometric design of roads or the vehicular characteristics and human characteristics of the road. Difficult to decide the design vehicle or the standard traffic lane under the mixed traffic flow condition. Pavement, especially on urban roads of developing countries. So the different vehicle classes means passenger cars, buses and trucks and motorcycles. So we are using here. However, the necessary to consider some standard vehicle as the design vehicle. The important human factor affect traffic behavior include the physical, mental and psychological characteristics of driver and pedestrian. So traffic factor is the condition. So mainly human characteristics is the very important here compared to the vehicular characteristics. So why? Because human characteristic in the sense there is a physical condition and mental, psychological characters. It will be good, then only the vehicular characteristics is the good. So if human characteristics is not is the correct way, then something is going to happen. Like design hourly volume and capacity. The traffic flow or volume keeps fluctuating with time from a low value during of peak hours to the highest value during the peak hours. It will be uneconomical to design the roadway facilities for the peak traffic flow or the highest hourly traffic value. Therefore, a reasonable value of traffic volume is decided for the design, and this is called the design hourly value. So we need to collect the traffic flow at the morning session as well as evening when the low volume during the peak hours, highest volume during the peak hours. So in two categories, so we need to collect the information, then only you can design the hourly volume. And the ratio of volume capacity affect the level of the service of the. And coming to the next one is the environmental and other factors. The environmental factors such as aesthetics, landscaping, air pollution, noise pollution and other local conditions should be given due consideration the design on road geometry. Some of the arterial high-speed highways and expressways are designed for higher speed standards and uninterrupted flow of vehicles by providing grade separated intersection and control access. Yeah, we can see these grade separation intersection. So when we are moving on a expressway or national highway, so at that place we need to consider this grade separation intersection to move the vehicle without any interruption from their destiny. Thank you.